We're going to lift up the right hand to the forehead. Good. And then keep 2 hands on the stick. That's it. And then step back with the right foot into horse. Good. Here, down. 2 hands. And then lift forward. Good. Slide. Slide. Down. Slide. Slide. Down. Back and slide. Back and slide. Block. 1, 2. Here. Knee forward. Yeah. Here, straight. Front arm, top arm, here. That's it. So rock back all the way through first. That's it. Now throw. Yes, excellent. Join. You come in to the chest. Block. Right arm is straight. Stick is level with the front foot and outside the body. Here. Then rock back all the way through. Back leg is straight. Here. As you do it. Don't lose it. That's it. There you go. Perfect. When you come back to lion, try to keep this here, forward. Chest forward. You don't want to be like this. So if you hit my stick not too hard, hit it there. A bit lower down. Yes, you see, so it moves. Yeah, so if I don't plant my stick that way, but instead that way, now hit it. Now it goes into the ground. Yeah, once more. It's not going to hit my leg. Yeah, so very important you get the angle slightly this way as opposed to this way. Okay, so from here, 1, 2.
Right upper right?
Yes, right arm is up here, and then so from here you just push to the ground. Push. And then with that throw, you want to go from here, rock back. So this leg is straight. Come down, thread the needle all the way through. And then this hand lifts up like a plate and you put it down. And over. Here, as they pull back. Now you want to keep the pelvis tucked in and the chin tucked in. Don't do like this. Keep this tucked in. Down, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. You start with the hand holding the stick, palm down. Like you're just chopping down like this, like with an axe. So you come down and then onto the side. Okay, so you come down here onto the side. Then back of the hand is down after here. Back of the hand down. Palm up. So first it's palm down, then palm up. Then you drop onto the other side, turn, and again palm down. So you go 1, 2, 3, palm down. 1, 2, 3, behind. So palm down, back of the hand down, change onto the other side, behind, and then you come across the body again. The change should happen here on the hip. You want to have this hand waiting, making like an L shape, so that the stick can come into this and then gets taken over. 1, 2, 3, behind and down. 1, 2, 3, behind, down. 1, 2, 3, behind, down. Behind, go. Step right, step through left, twist. From here, 1, 2, forward. 1, 2, straighten up. 1, 2, straighten up. And then here we go back, around, down. So the palm is down, twist. Go with it, go with it. Yeah, so this is why the loose wrist is so important, because it will allow you just to follow the stick. If I hold it firm like this, it doesn't really go anywhere. And then 1, 2. So you take your weight back and then go with it. 1, 2. Obviously this is working on a lot of things. This is working on co-coordination. This is working on balance. This is working on proprioception. Keep the eyes open, keep the focus in front, and try to see the whole stick. Now, the first movement is to come here, down. So the palm comes down this way. Then we come behind. And if you notice my feet, I've moved my feet from this front position to this side position. So here, palm down, behind. When you're using weapons, yeah, that looseness of the wrist is going to give you a lot more dynamic movement available, okay? So here, over, down, behind. So you drop it, and then over, behind, over, behind, over. And then you can step forward, change hands, behind, over, behind, over, behind, over, and change hands. Here, here, here. We're going to use the momentum of the stick here and go with it. Behind, go with it. All the way around, back to the same position. From here, 1, 2, forward. So you take the stick behind and then go with the stick. Take it behind, go. Here we go back, around, down. So we go twice on that side, yeah? Once, twice, around. 2, so the palm is down, twist, go with it, go with it. Yeah, so this is why the loose wrist is so important, because it will allow you just to follow the stick. The same movement, here, behind, and then 1, 2. So you take your weight back, and then go with it, 1, 2.